Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how you can fix your Microsoft Store if it's not working. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Well, fixing a not working Microsoft Store is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So in order to fix your not working Microsoft Store, we have a couple of methods. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first method, what you need to do is right click on the date and time in the bottom right corner. Make sure that you are on the date and time tab, and then what you need to do is set time automatically and set time zone automatically. And then click the sync now button and then try opening Microsoft Store. If it works, great. If not, we go to method 2. So in the method 2, what you need to do is clear the Windows Store cache. Go to the Windows search bar and type WS reset. Click on the WS reset run command application. However, just be a little bit patient because it resets and relaunches the Microsoft Store. If it works for you, awesome. If not, we go to method 3. Well, in the third method, what you need to do is troubleshoot the Microsoft Store. Go to the Windows search bar and type settings. Open setting, then what you need to do is go to the update and security section. Click on troubleshoot in the left sidebar. Then what you need to do is click on additional troubleshooters. And then what you need to do is scroll down to Windows Store apps and run the troubleshooter. Well, if your problem is still not fixed, I got a bonus method for you. For that, what you need to do is reset the store using Powershell. Open the Windows search bar and type Powershell. Right-click on the Windows Powershell and then select Run as Administrator. Select Yes to continue. Type the following command into the Powershell and then hit Enter. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.